This month I'd like to introduce Canva to you. It's a great free tool that you can use that has thousands of templates already designed that are available for you to just simply edit. So you'll need to make an account and then go ahead and get yourself signed in. Now you'll have the option to create a design, and you can also type in what you're looking for. So in this case, I want us to look for business cards because we're going to talk about September being National Library Card Sign-Up Month. So you can find the template of any business card that you like, scroll down. Let's see if one catches your eye. And notice it says like 1 of 2, so there is a front and a back to this design. So I can go ahead and choose, well, let's start on the first page, the first side, and you can put in the name of your school. It's just click and edit, and in my case, put in the name of the URL that you want them to go to, because where is the virtual library that you're directing them to? Now for my pretend school, I'm going to say that we are the Tigers. So let's see if I can find an image with some tiger skin. They have images that are free, and in some cases, like right now, I'm seeing that these are all premiums. They're wanting me to buy them. So I hope that you know several resources you can go to, one like Pixabay, and that would have copyright free images for you. Do a quick search. Now they're showing us Shutterstock at the top, so we don't want to use those. We're going to use the ones down here. They'll allow you to do a free download. All right, and then come back to the business card. This time, since they didn't have a photo for me, I need to upload it myself. So they have an upload button. Let's see, my downloads. Grab that animal skin. So what you need to do is pull your image slowly in, and it should, if I can do it right, it's going to fill in the background behind it. Having a little difficulty. Let me start over again. There we go. So that was the first side of it. Now I can see now some little hidden watermarks. In this case, they don't really go with tiger skin, so we'll take that off of the design that Canva had already created. So that was side 1 of the template. If I come back to the template, I want to work on side 2. So let me add that second page, and we'll pull this template over. And I can do any kind of editing that I want to do now. So let me come back with my school name. Let's see. They're not really going to want to have this kind of information, so we can delete that. Well, do it a little more carefully than me, and you can delete the whole box. Let's see. I do have a delete right there. That's, oh. Don't do that. Sorry, y'all. I'm going to keep going live with this. Okay, so trying again. There we go. So taking this area here, we can customize it however we want to. You want to tell them now the username that you want them to use. Possibly it is their Active Directory name if you do that kind of thing, or if you have like a generic username and password that you have for your whole campus, that would work as well, and you could put that on there for them. Now since I was Tigers, let me put in some school colors here. It'll be orange. You can see that we have very simple to use tools up here at the top. And let's get this area bigger also. Just not wanting to let me get that last letter. I'll take care of it in a minute. Let's see, let's try 14. Okay, so you'll end up with something that will look like this. So we now have the front of our card and the back of our card. And remember that we are making our virtual library card. So let's go ahead and add those words in there. This is our virtual library card. So for National Library Card Sign Up Month, this would allow you to customize real easily a card that you could send to a print shop at your district if you're lucky enough to have one. If you are using Canva, they have a printing suggestion right here where you could send it to. You could also simply download this, and it says I have a premium image. I'm going to have to find that image. Let's see. Where do I have that in there? I don't know if it might be that down there. Let's see if I take that off. Okay, this is allowing me to see what their print shop would be able to do for me. But otherwise, you can go ahead and choose the choice to download as a PDF, and you can go ahead and print those yourself, make them yourself. I know you can even buy business card templates that are already made in a box, ready at your local office supply store, or even just to take that PDF into them and let them print for you. So I hope you enjoy that. Canva is a great tool, tons of free templates to use. Let's think about using Canva for National Library Card Sign Up Month. Have a great September.